What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Von from Quon&Von, and I am back with another video. And as you can tell by the title today, I will be telling y'all how I got my GT 5.0 Mustang, you know what I'm saying, at 19. I'm gonna get straight into it. If you feeling generous enough to like the video, then like the video. If you feeling generous enough and you like the content, then subscribe, you see what I'm saying? But I'm finna get right into it, so boom, right? So I'm 19 and I'm like, all right, bum. I'm driving my mama car at well, which I'm not mad at it, like I'm not tripping at all, but I got a job, so I'm like, I might as well put this money into something. Like, I'm gonna just put the car on YouTube, you see what I'm saying? That's what I'm thinking in my head. I'm like, boom, I'm gonna try to make the money back just from YouTube, you see what I'm saying? So boom. So I'm like, all right, boom, I'm gonna give me a car, but I gotta go V8, because like they gonna want to see V8 on YouTube, right? So I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, all right, boom, what could I do that's cheap and that makes sense for me, but it's also a V8 and it ain't like no old car, if you get what I'm saying? Like, I know I don't want to pay 45 for no scat, you know what I'm saying? I know I don't want to pay 60 for no SRT, you know what I'm saying, at the specific time, because I ain't got it like that. So I'm like, all right, boom, so where could I go cheap but get the V8 and still get good quality, you know what I'm saying? So boom, I'm like, all right. So Trail, shout out to Latrell. So he got a 5.0. So I'm like, all right, boom. I'm like, all right, I like how they move, I like how they get down. They look good, look cool, you see what I'm saying? Ain't that high, you see what I'm saying? Still a V8, still gonna catch an eye, still an eye catcher. So I'm like, all right, bet. So I'm gonna go V8 and I'm gonna go 5.0. So I'm working, I'm saving checks, because mind you, I have no credit. Well, I had no credit. At the time, I have no credit. So I'm like, all right, boom, I'm gonna have to go cash. So I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, well, if I'm gonna go cash, then I'm gonna save up, because I'm gonna have to put a lot of money down. So I'm saying, turns out I didn't. But I'm gonna have to put a lot of money down, so I'm saving check, and I'm saving, you know what I'm saying, the stuff that I do on the side, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saving every piece of money that I can. So boom, right? My mama asked me one day randomly, she like, hey, is you trying to go look? And I'm like, well, yeah, we can go look. We might as well go look so I can see. But I'm thinking in my head, I'm like, man, I'm gonna have to get this car probably next year, probably, because like if I save, they gonna want like 10,000 down. So I gotta make this money, but she like, let's go look. So I'm like, all right, bet. So we go look. We go to the first lot, they ain't had nothing. I'm like, all right, bum, we probably gonna have to, you know what I'm saying? It's just probably gonna be a waste of time today. We go to the second lot, I see this sitting by itself. I'm like, okay, that's exactly what I was looking for. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking for the 5.0. So I hop in, we test drive. Mind you, I'm going crazy on test drive. Like, I'm sliding it. I'm burning rubber because I'm trying to get the feel for it. I'm trying to make sure this is really what I want, because I'm finna be in debt. You know what I'm saying? Technically, I'm finna be in debt. I'm finna put myself in debt. So I'm you feel me? I gotta make sure I'm getting my bang for the buck. You talking about? So boom, right? So I say, all right, bum. I test drive it. I'm like, this is the one I want. So they probably the part y'all really waiting on. Y'all trying to figure out, like, how did I get, like how much did I put down, and how did I do it with no credit? Mind you, I had no credit at the time. So how you do it with no credit is you get a cosign. If your folks got some credit, man, I'm telling you, cosign. It's a win-win situation. It builds your credit and it builds their credit. It's a win-win situation. Listen to me. I tell you, it's a win-win situation. You know what I'm saying? It builds your credit, it builds their credit. You can't lose. You get you a cosign. Once you get the cosign, it's gonna build your credit, like I say, and it's gonna build their credit. So it's a win-win, right? So my mama, she co-signed for me, and we only had to put two bands down. You see what I'm saying? It wasn't none crazy, it wasn't none major, none of that. You see what I'm saying? All we had to do was put two bands down. So and we left with it that day. You see what I'm saying? That's how I got my 5.0 Mustang at, you see what I'm saying, 19 years old. You see what I'm saying? So, and mind you, it's building my credit right now. I only had it for like a few months. It's doing pretty good. I got it with like 68,000 miles, and some of y'all probably like, you know what I'm saying, like that ain't what you do. But then again, I ain't gonna lie, like I could have went like an 08 Charger and I would have been spending the same price, a little SRT 8, same price with 140,000 miles on it. It just didn't make sense to me. This is what made sense, so that's what I did. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's how I got mine. But I don't think I'm gonna do nothing crazy to it, because I ain't gonna lie, like the next car I get, I'm going crazy. But I'm trying to be financially responsible right now, so I ain't gonna go crazy. But I'm gonna keep putting it on YouTube. If y'all keep you know what I'm saying, do what y'all did to this video, to the last video, and the other video, and I'm gonna keep doing what I was doing, you see what I'm saying? So, nah, but y'all did pretty good on the last video, so I just decided to bring this back to y'all and see what this will do, you see what I'm saying? But let me know how y'all like the POVs too, like if y'all like these or we can do these, you see what I'm saying? The city look alright, you see what I'm saying? Look pretty decent outside. I would have put the flash on, but the way this case set up, you see what I'm saying? I really can't, like, when I put the flash on, you can't see it because the case covering the flash and whatnot. But yeah, that's the story on how I got my my 50, my Mustang at 19 and whatnot. And like I said, I had it for a couple months. It's doing pretty good. Ain't nothing wrong with it. You see what I'm saying? Thank God. You see what I'm saying? But if y'all like the content, like the video, like, comment, subscribe if y'all want to. If y'all want to, you ain't got to, you see what I'm saying? And keep God in your life. Stay blessed. And thank you. I decided I might as well try to get it 8 minutes while I head to my destination. So I'm giving y'all a little POV, you see what I'm saying? I think it looked pretty good, I ain't gonna lie to you. One thing I don't like about the Mustang since we here, you see what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell you what I don't like. One thing I don't like about the Mustang, you know, on the gauge right here, right? It'll show you how many miles you got left, but it won't tell me how many miles I'm going. If you get what I'm saying, like why you didn't add that? Like, what made you not add that? I gotta look at the little hand, like the gauge, the whole time. Tell me how many miles I'm going. Don't tell me how many miles I got left. You're discouraging me. It's like you're hurting me. You're trying to hurt me on purpose. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, great car. Great car. I think the car drive rough. Mind you, this is my first time in the V8, so they probably all drive rough. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. When I get another one, then we're gonna see. You know what I'm saying? But they drive rough. But I appreciate the little car. I ain't gonna lie. Like, thank God for real. Cause, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people can't do it. A lot of people ain't fortunate enough. So I'm very blessed and thankful for sure. Most definitely very grateful. You know, Thanksgiving, 8th month. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know in the comment, like, what y'all want to see, man. For real. And we're going to try to get it done. Get her done. We're going to try to get her done. Nah, for real. Like, y'all want to see, like, the POV. I would mod it, bro. I really would, bro. But if I cut these pipes, the gas going to get worse. I need every piece of fuel I can get. I'm not cutting these pipes. It's over with. It's over with. Now, if I got the money on for it, you see what I'm saying? Y'all keep coming subscribing. Y'all get whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? You can get whatever you want. This stock. I'm stock, 100% stock. I think the rims ain't stock, though. And I got them like that. You see what I'm saying? I got it like that. So, I got the car like that. I ain't got it like that. I got the car like that. I'm going to have it like that, though. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, the rims ain't stock. That's the only thing. Matter of fact, like the person before me, they did a little mods to it. I like what they were doing. You see what I'm saying? Like, you know, like the emblem be like steel or chrome per se. You see what I'm saying? But this one wasn't even, you feel me? It's they blacked it out. I like that. You see what I'm saying? I like the black and white come up. You see what I'm saying? Nah, for real. What street am I turning on? What street is this? I'm confused. But y'all. Y'all folk like coming and subscribe. I'm almost to my destination. But I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Keep God in your life.